Good evening, everyone. Right, after a live last week, I've tidied the tank up. I've got some fresh weed in. So I've got some more live weed up the top there, providing coverage. I've got a couple of new plastic plants, but I'm still struggling with the water flow, so you can see they're not sitting nicely draped as they should do. But it's time to feed everyone. So we have got Lottie here up at the front, who is my little cystic. And these are all boys, despite the name. I've got Jax, who's the one who's been a bit poorly, but he's looking a lot better. He's slowly growing back his floofs. Hello, you. And then we've got Jellybean up here. So I have been out and gotten some worms. I've been struggling to keep worms alive more than a couple of months. And I went to feed them a little while ago. Well, I say a little while ago, a few days ago. And my worms were not looking healthy. So I've picked some up from a tackle shop. Let's feed. I haven't washed these off. With the water flow, it's not the easiest to get them exactly where they need to be. But I always overfeed. And that way I know they've all eaten plenty. There we go. So Lottie's very happily doing battle with a worm there. These are from a different supplier, so they might not like the taste of them quite so much. I'm surprised he's struggling that much, unless he took two and he's already had one. Now let's get some more down to Jax. Look, Lottie is really trying, sort of like a crocodile roll. He's determined, I'll give him that. It looks like it might have just gone down his gill on the side. I can't tell from here, but in which case he will struggle to get it out of position. I think that might be what's happened. There we go, he's shifted it to the other side of his mouth now. And there we go, as it's gone. So I think that's what happened. I think it actually got stuck down the gill on the other side. But obviously we couldn't see that from here. But, all right, Mr. Jax. Let's get a few more down to him. If I go about there, they should float back towards him. Now, how hungry are you, mate? He ate absolutely loads the last time I fed. Lottie's just finished his one. You're not hungry, Mr. Jax? That's not like you. Like I say, he did eat loads. Jelly Bean is looking hungry. Hello. I'll put some down, but he's not going to catch them on the way down. So he'll have to come out of his hidey hole. You're going to have to actually come and get the worms, mate. Unless the ones caught up in the plant are actually going to feed themselves. Right. Jack's grabbed at one and missed. I don't know how he missed. But he will happily go hunting. And this is one of the reasons I overfeed. I want them to actually have to actively look for their food, ideally. I don't sort of just dangle on tweezers in front of them. Well, those worms are being annoying, aren't they? Hey, Mr. Jellybean. Let's leave you down there for a minute. I'll see if I can get one a bit closer to him. But I've never actually tongue fed him. No, mine don't understand what tongue feeding is. Jax has just scuttled off. Not quite sure what his aim in life is. That was never going to work particularly well, was it, Jax? So you can see now there's loads of worms in there. There's more than enough for them. Because these are the medium ones, not the largest ones, I've put more in. Right, I'm going to put the rest of the worms in before they escape. I'm just going to leave some wide angle for a bit so you can see all of them. He's just thinking about going up to the top for air. And that's a planted axolotl. He's usually much better at landings. That was a really rubbish landing. I don't know if you can hear the bird song in the background. That's the birds in the garden. I should have washed those worms off more. You need to be out from under the plants, Lottie, before you swim up. They're really not too bright. You can see why they're struggling in the wild. There we go. Can you land a bit better this time? Yeah, that wasn't so bad. There's actually a worm climbing up the pot, trying to feed itself to Jellybean. Right, well, we seem to be at a bit of a stalemate. Think about it. What are friends for if you can't use them for a crash landing? I know he looks a mess at the moment, but he's still got a gorgeous face and still loves his close-ups. Right, I think I'm going to have to finish videoing for the evening. So thank you for joining us all. And that's goodbye from Jelly Bean. From Lottie. And from Jax. So take care, everyone. Remember, there's loads more videos in their playlists. And we'll see you all soon.